Are you ready to tap into a Neville Goddard techniques so profound that it will not only make your head spin, but also send shockwaves through your entire reality? If you've ever wondered how to manifest your desires at an astonishing speed, then you've stumbled upon the right place at the right time. Today, we're about to dive deep into the secrets of manifesting, secrets that have been hidden in plain sight for decades. But first, let me ask you this. How many times have you felt like your manifestations were taking ages to come to fruition? Have you ever doubted the power of your own mind and questioned whether you're truly capable of creating your dream life? If these thoughts have ever crossed your mind, then you're in for a treat. In this video, we're not just going to scratch the surface, we're going to dig deep into the very essence of manifesting. We'll show you how to rewrite the story of your life, redefine your limits, and set your desires into motion with such velocity that you'll feel like you're riding a cosmic roller coaster. What most people aren't aware of is that your subconscious mind is closely intertwined with your nervous system. Your nervous system sends electrical signals to your brain, influencing your thoughts, emotions, and ultimately, your manifestations. This technique works at lightning speed because it aligns your inhalation patterns with the exhilaration of already having your desires. Now, you might be thinking, is it really that simple? Can a few deep breaths truly transform my life? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in this video. We're going to break down this technique into easy-to-follow steps, helping you harness its full potential. What's the secret? Well, it's all about staying calm. Seriously, give it a try right now. Just tell your mind and your body to chill out and trust the process. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but it's precisely how you get what you want. Back in 1965, the legendary Neville Goddard dropped some wisdom in a lecture that's still blowing minds today. He said, "I bring my desires to my mind's eye and work myself into an emotional state. It's like finding this peculiar rhythm, a simple inhale and exhale. When you reach a certain point, take one deep, purposeful inhalation. It's like setting up a time exposure in your own mind, and then every pore of your being explodes with energy. And guess what? You do nothing beyond that." I told you your mind might resist. It seems too easy, right? Well, that's exactly why so few people do it. But that's also why it works like a charm. It all comes down to your subconscious mind, the gateway to creating your reality. What most people don't know is that your subconscious is actually controlled by your nervous system. It sends those electrical signals to your brain, and here's the kicker. This technique works so darn quickly because your inhalation patterns mimic the ecstatic feeling of already having your desires. Your nervous system gets tricked into thinking it's happening right now. Isn't that mind-blowing? Now let's break it down into easy steps. Find a quiet spot, grab a drink if you'd like, and get comfy. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your desire. Visualize it in your mind's eye. Make it vivid, and then start breathing in rhythm. Your breaths are telling you that you already have it, that it's yours. Feel the excitement building as you see it manifest before your eyes. All right, so picture this. You've been dreaming about something for so long, and suddenly they tell you that you've got it. Your dream house, your soulmate, that stack of cash, or that fantastic news you've been waiting for. You're on cloud 9, and your emotions are soaring high. Then, at a certain point, it happens. You explode into an ecstatic breath. You can see it all in your mind's eye. The money, the dream house, your soulmate, and the fantastic news. It's like you're living it already. Now, here's where the magic really unfolds. You take a deep inhale, not just any inhale, but a deep one, like, "Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because it's all happening." You're focusing entirely on your inhale while you vividly visualize your dream. As Neville puts it, you're working yourself up into this emotional state, and suddenly you explode. It's an experience you can't replicate because it's like a psychic or even a sexual act without any physical evidence, but it's the same thrill you'd feel if it were a physical act. Now you might be wondering, why is this so powerful? Well, let me break it down for you. It's all about tricking your nervous system. When Neville talks about it being a psychic or sexual act, it might sound a bit unusual, but here's the deal. Every single atom in your body gets engaged during that inhale. When you're having a beautiful, romantic time with someone, you know it's all about that inhale. Yep, you heard me right. That deep breath really gets things going, just like when you're in the throes of romance. That inhale sets the stage for the energy. But here's the mind-blowing part. It's not just about love. It's the exact same thing with anything else that enters your life. Let's imagine for a moment that you're standing right outside the house of your dreams. It's not just any house, though. It's got this jaw-dropping glass front door, and as you step inside, the whole living room is like a glass paradise, giving you a view of majestic mountains or the endless ocean. Can you feel that excitement building up already? Now let's talk about what happens next. So you gently push that amazing glass door open and take a step inside. You know what's crazy? Without even thinking, you take this deep, satisfying breath. It's like a hidden superpower waking up inside you. Seriously, this deep inhale kicks your nervous system into high gear, making every molecule in your body buzz with anticipation. And here's the mind-blowing part. That initial inhale plants the seed of desire deep within you. Your nervous system, thanks to that inhale, thinks your wildest dreams have already come true. Now here's the magic of this technique. It bypasses your busy mind. You see, there are tons of incredible techniques and tools out there that can elevate your life, but many of them rely on your mind. And if you haven't reprogrammed it, those old stubborn patterns can sneak back in and block your progress. But fear not, my friends, this technique is different. It uses the inhale to bring your nervous system to an ecstatic state, bypassing the mind entirely. No more getting stuck in old habits or thought patterns that don't serve you. This technique takes a shortcut directly to your nervous system. So here's what I want you to do. I invite you to give this powerful technique a try. Let your body experience a total calm down like never before. I read every single comment, and I'm excited to hear your success stories, so don't be shy. Drop your thoughts down below. Before we wrap things up, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification. That way, you'll never miss out on our exciting new videos. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, your nervous system has the power to transform your life. So keep inhaling those dreams and watching the magic unfold. Until next time, stay awesome. See you in the next video.